Nexon, the Polytechnic is from Singapore, and 13 other various small industry associations within around Kolhapur and Shanghai. I mean, it's basically opening up the opportunities for our students to learn, because what happens is sometimes you may be, because locally you may have a different kind of a flavor of understanding things, but now you will get an understanding of working for somewhere else, and the industries are residing somewhere else, and all these are virtual opportunities. Amazing opportunities. They are providing, and I really want to thank them. And on the other side, my favorite is finance and banking, because what I see, every human needs a financial and banking knowledge, and this is the thriving one, because every transaction you do, it has an involvement of a financial transactions, which basically involves some kind of a bank or some kind of a financial organization. So huge opportunities, and the beauty of these banking opportunities are they are global in nature. If you are familiar with couple of banking softwares, which is used in India, the same banking software is used across the globe. Maybe they have a business rules, here and there. Maybe it's like a 5% tweaking, which Indians can easily adopt. So there, when we requested this, they said, we not only give you the internship opportunities, we will give stipend also. So they are providing 20,000 rupees as a stipend for first 3 months for students, and they train them on banking, domain. The beauty of this banking internship opportunities is you may have your degree, they will teach you about banking and finance domain, and they will give you opportunity to work on real-time scenarios, and they will, if you are performing well, they will take you directly and they will give you an employment where the base salary may be range of 7 to 11 lakh rupees, depends on how you perform. I mean, amazing opportunity what they opened up. I think this kind of opportunities will encourage our students, not only encouragement, directly giving you
Absolutely, Uma.
opportunity, on a job side. So that kind of opportunity what they opened up, and again we are requesting them to give more such kind of opportunities, because they work on multiple domains. And this is one of the banking domain they are working. So I'm closely working with them and trying to get more domains, because we all strongly believe one thing what our Honorable Prime Minister says, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. I think every stream student, either is a computer science or a mechanical or a civil, or per se, for any electronics or electrical, everyone is getting equal opportunities. Even our medical students, our pharma students, our accounting students. I think that's the way the world works, and everyone we want them to adopt technology. So we have come up with few, interesting applications like NEET, as well as few interesting applications like free resources for ACT, where they can learn all this for free. Are you able to see my screen? So I just want to quickly put a few numbers. So the total registered users we have as of now is 62.3 lakh, and the number of internship opportunities posted is 4.2 lakh, including we have one big association with the Urban Development Ministry. And not only that, we have lots of corporate companies coming in, because they see one very good thing in our portal is we have the data is authentic data, valid data, and the student. Let's say I'm an electronics and telecommunication engineer. I mean, I am an electronics and telecommunication engineer, but I'm interested in working in food processing. So I can put my education qualification at the same time. I can put my interest area of domain. The food processing is my interest area, and system basically takes this too. It does a churning process, and it basically takes 5 preferred locations of me. I mean, of a student. And imagine, I said, my preferred locations are Visakhapatnam, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bengaluru, and Mumbai. So based on this, we have written an artificial intelligence engine. It basically churns all this, and it will give you all the mapped opportunity. And at the same time, the companies will get only and only the dedicated students, and you will get to know his entire profile timeline. I mean, trust me, no one has such kind of a data. We even have what kind of along with their skills, we have their qualification details, we have their interest details, we have what webinars they attended, we have what recent activities they did, we have their skill sets, and whatnot. We have their internship opportunity details. I mean, we have created a timeline of a student, not a profile. So I'm sure you will get more than what you're expecting, and it's completely free as a government of India. So which resulted basically lots of more than 2,250 quiz in real corporate companies are with us, including NASCOM, Cisco, IBM. I mean, huge, big companies are there with us, and they are providing internship opportunities along with government organizations like Urban Development Ministry, National Highway Authorities, Social Justice Ministry, Railways. I mean, we are almost there on the railways with NASCOM, and various others. The IITM, and and lots of virtual opportunities. So this is what we have from our side, and we are trying to take things forward from there. And I really thank Jugaad Funda as well as Wiley for giving this opportunity. Maybe once they have, then we will go for a launch. And using this site is very simple. And beauty of this site is it loads like this. That's a mantra what we have created. Because when I interact with my two bosses, chairman sir and vice chairman sir, like very open minded, but they give you challenge, which you need to crack that code. So we have cracked it. We made it make sure that every student, even in from a small remote tribal village, can immediately access this website without any issues, without any speed issues. So I will demonstrate. Once we do a launch, it's very simple, easy to use website. And I thank everyone for joining. And please utilize this opportunity, and let's all work together for our Atmanirbhar Bharat, and work, learn locally but work globally. I think this is what Funda we need to approach. How we have our nurses, across the globe. Similarly, we need to have every domain expert from India. Needs to work and occupy all major domains across the world. Thank you.
Thank you, Buddha sir, for addressing our participants and highlighting about the internship opportunities available in AICTE internship portal. As Chairman sir suggested, any mail comes from Chairman sir or Vice Chairman sir, MSR Buddha sir, he immediately says that we'll fix the company, meeting with the company. Next day he calls them, gets a brief, he gives input to them, see to that how systematically they should be brought on the NEET portal, and pushes everything and gets in a workload basis. And also, I'm happy to say that this internship portal was developed by the leadership of Buddha sir, by the students. The internship portal itself developed by the students as an intern. That is the challenge and the strength of our students, where we have been effectively utilizing them for developing the portal. I'm sure today lakhs of students are getting benefited out of this internship portal. Thank you, Buddha sir, for addressing our participant and highlighting about the internship available in the AICTE portal. And we expect and looking forward for many more support and bring many companies on board for the benefit of our student community across our country. Thank you, sir. Now I request Mr. Manish Patil, Director, Scientific Jugaad Funda, to address our participant and highlight about how this internship will be benefit for the students community. Sir, the platform is open to you now, sir. Sir, you are in mute, sir. We are not able to hear you, sir. Manish Patil sir, we are not able to hear you. No, sir, still it's not audible, sir. No, sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Maybe Manishji, you can speak without your headphones. Maybe headphones is creating the problem.
Am I audible now, sir?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Can you be a little bit louder, sir? Your voice is a little bit low.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely fine. So, thanks to all. Thank you, Rajiv sir, Elangon sir, Sahasrabuddhe sir, Indrajeva sir. And I thank you on behalf of Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce, Magic Aurangabad. I also welcome all the participants. I brief you quickly about our journey to this particular internship program. I myself is a faculty and I have been in engineering education for almost 23 years. And while doing my role as a faculty, I also tried 6 times to create my own startup. I failed successfully 6 times. But in the seventh attempt, I was able to launch a product, and today I am the only manufacturer for that product in India. It is Ergo Optics, which is a magnifying loupe and LED headlamp, which is helping dentists and surgeons to maintain their posture correct and protect them from aerosol contamination, back pain, neck pain, and I hold also a patent for that. But it took me almost 22 years, and being my both grandfathers were teacher, my father was teacher, understanding this business skills was a pain problem for me. And one of the reasons which I analyzed during every failure is the network and connectivity with the right people, with the right team. And then I was thinking how exactly we can enable and empower these students to really get connected with such a network. So I started building this scientific Jugaad Funda, which is based on the principles of human science. And Jugaad is nothing but it is a flexible approach of problem solving using limited use of available resources. And in this journey, I got a chance to work with Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce, respected Santosh Mandecha sir. And when I demonstrated my module to them, he said that we are also thinking of working on implementing a business solution polyclinic program wherein we are trying to get together our industries and their consultants and the mentors who are already our members. And we showed them how we can take this platform one stage ahead, enabling every stakeholder to fetch benefit. Because such platforms where humans are getting engaged, if every stakeholder cannot fetch its due benefit, such platforms have got a challenges. So we made sure the industry which is going to share the problem, we analyze that there is a one more issue that majority of the industries, they don't know how to articulate, how to document, how to spot the real problem which then further can be taken ahead for solving. And exactly that's where our Industry Connect internship program is being positioned, wherein we are training and empowering the student first to connect with the industry, empower him with the competency skill, communication skill, networking, and all these pointers which sir has addressed recently. So we take care that we are breaking those barriers and the student becomes confident enough to reach and connect with that industry. And that's why this is Industry Connect internship program. And Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce, Santosh Mandecha sir, the Honorable President, and Magic Aurangabad, Ashish Gade sir is working on this. And that's how we are bringing this program to the students, wherein we are empowering them to truly get connected and prove themselves useful for the industry by enabling them to capture, spot, articulate, document, and validate the real industry problems so that it can create a path for further opportunity for them to work on solving them. And one important thing we are doing is we are having around 350 mentors who are connected, and every mentor, before he qualifies as an MPanel certified mentor, he has to undergo 8 weeks of training program, because having knowledge is one part, but ability to dissipate that knowledge is another part. So all our mentors go through our own programs. We also tried this for the faculty development program, but out of 260 faculty, only 55 faculties were able to complete the assigned task. And then that's how we are at this stage, increasing our mentor pool from around 350 to 400 plus. But through this internship, we are really working hard to make sure that tier 2, tier 3 level students will be brought into the mainstream and the empowered mentors will be able to guide them correctly. So thank you very much to the AICT, thank you very much to the Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce, Magic Aurangabad, and we commit our, we confirm our commitment to really empower our kids from tier 2, tier 3 cities. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Manish. We are overwhelmed by the speech what you have given, because you are the right person to give an internship, having more than 2 decades of academic experience. I am very sure that you would have been knowing the unique needs of the student. the 20 years of experience, what student was expecting or what industry needed. Now you are again a success model of being a faculty, then become an entrepreneur. So that would be another big motivation and a role model for many faculties and students watching today. Because during this, AICT recently have been launched a National Innovation Startup Policy, which have been motivating many students and faculty to become an entrepreneur. You are on such kind of role models, sir. And you have been having this connected that through your Industry Connect internship program, you have 350 members mentorship. Mentors who have been part of it, and we 8-week program. I'm sure you would have been looking forward and you would have been known that what students had need, and you would have developed this internship in such a way that it will benefit all the students community. I'm sure all the students and faculties who are being part of this program today will convey to your colleagues and friends and make sure that you are all getting benefited out of this particular program. Thank you, Manish sir, for addressing our participant and the student today. And now I request Mr. Ashish sir, Director of Marathawada Accelerator for Growth and Incubation Council, to address our participants today. So the platform is open to you now, sir.
Yeah, thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak on this occasion. I thank AICT team for taking this unique initiative, and also compliment Manish Patil for coming up with such a unique solution. Chamber of Marathwada Industries and Agriculture (CMI) has created unique properties in Aurangabad. We have established auto cluster, we have established electronic cluster. We are working on more than 40 small clusters in and around Maharashtra. And we have also taken a very unique initiative of establishing a incubator and SME accelerator. Like, there are very few regional industry associations in India who have taken such initiative. And since 2015, we are working on this particular incubator and accelerator, which is now recognized by Maharashtra State Innovation Society as well as Ministry of MSME, New Delhi. At Chamber, we were interacting with many academic institutions for last almost 20 years. And what we noticed was there was a platform which was lacking for connecting industries and academic institutions on a long-term basis. And through Jugaad Funda, I believe that platform is now available, wherein all the stakeholders can come on one common platform and connect with each other, and that too on a real-time basis. The initiatives which are offered by Jugaad Funda, especially the problem-solving orientation for the students connected with industries, that is very important, because as the students get internship opportunities, they also need to get equipped and trained for identifying the right problems, drafting the real problem statement so that suitable solutions can be found in consultation with the team, the industry and the faculty. So this particular aspect is very critical, and the platform offers that flexibility for like solving that problem. Maybe if a particular problem is more complicated, some students from current batch can solve that, and the next batch of students can work on that problem in continuation. So the platform is really unique, and I'm sure this Jugaad Funda platform will help not only promote internship, but also help in promoting innovation amongst the industries as well as academic institutions through their collaboration. So I look forward to a great start for this particular initiative, and as Magic, we would definitely like to collaborate with AICT and other organizations in this journey. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashish sir, for highlighting about the dynamism of the platform of Jugaad Funda. And also we are happy to hear that you have been connected with the Innovation Incubator and Accelerator also. So recently, AICT has launched this Innovation Cell, where we have been our Institute Innovation Council in more than 2,500 plus institutions. Who have been connected with that, we also convey the same to our, in Maharashtra alone, we have more than 500 plus institutions which have been in this IIC Council. To connect with you on this incubator and accelerator program and make sure that all those institutions are getting benefited out of this. Thank you, sir. Thanks for addressing our participants today and on behalf of AICT and ESL. Now I request Mr. Santosh, Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce, Industry and Agriculture President, to address our participant today. Sir Santosh, sir, the platform is open to you now, sir.
Thank you, Doctor. On the launching of internship opportunity by Jugaad Funda, here we are for a very innovative and very different kind of program today. Professor Anil Shastrabudhe, Chairman KICTC, Professor M.P. Punia, Vice Chairman KICTC, Member Secretary Mr. Rajiv Kumar, and the Chief Coordinating Officer Mr. Buddha Chandrasekhar, and the very important and instrumental person for this program for Maharashtra Chamber as well as MAGIC, Mr. Manish Patil, who has taken a lot of pain to have this kind of initiative for Maharashtra. And my friend Mr. Ashish Garde, all the participants. This is a very historical day for AICT as well as Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce, because 3 years ago when we met Professor Anil Shastrabudhe at AICT office along with my team, we had discussed a lot. During that discussion, he has given a lot of inputs what the revolutionary change are coming in the education system. We were impressed when we came to know that in education system, the first 1 month will be the induction of the student to have the knowledge of their institutes. I think this was a very, very important and enlightened and initiative by the AICT. In fact, during the discussion, we were having a lot of inputs from sir, and after that, entire Maharashtra, we have taken initiative to create an entrepreneurs under the Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce. I have visited a lot of institutes during that period, and it was observed. If we go to the institute will say, we are not getting the jobs. During that period, I have visited so many industrial organizations and trade associations, and we were discussing we are not getting an appropriate manpower, those who are employmentable for our industry. And I feel that there is a gap between academia and the industry. Then we have started working on it, and very fortunately, we have started this BSPP, that is Business Solution Polyclinic program, to find a solution for the academia and the industry. During that time, we came across Mr. Manish Patil. He came to us, he gave the inputs, and he told me that we have this kind of platform. I think this is the way we should bridge this gap between academia and the industry. With that initiative, we have started, and I am very happy to say that whenever we meet to industry, because Shastrabudhe sir, I would like to give these inputs to you, because the important thing is that when we can go to the MSME, I know I have allotted a time, but I will take maybe a minute or two extra for that, because these are the very important inputs which is to be shared with you. When we can go to the MSME, MSME, they don't have that much of capability to employ or to get the services from the mentor. When we can go to the mentor, they don't have an appropriate manpower to get this small issue to be addressed. So I think with this BSPP program, with this, if we can get the students for 6 months, because normally previously the internship was for 15 days or maybe for 1 month, and then industry is not interested to give them this opportunity, because if he can come to that industry, he can understand the industry, till that time the time is over. I think if you are given this opportunity to internship in your curriculum for 6 months, so then he can understand what is the requirement of industry, how the industry works, he can understand the culture of industry, and specifically the MSME, how it works. This is the way we can create a very good synergy and energy between the industry as well as the academia. The student, they do very rightly pointed out by the Shastra sir about the cooling power, because when we were as a student, when we work in a lab, all the small models have been kept over there to understand the functionality of that particular subject. But in industry, the things are very different. I think with this kind of program only, you can give a good opportunity to the students. They can understand very well. This will be a very good initiative. I would like to congratulate all AICT team under the leadership. Shastra Buddhe sir is a very able leader, because fortunately we asked him to have 30 minutes to have a meeting, and he were discussing around 1.5 hours during that meeting, and we got a lot of inputs from him. We are very thankful to you, sir. And I think that meeting was given me the initiative. We should take it ahead. A lot of inputs can be shared all of with you. I would like to give 2 minutes for about the Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce. So Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce is an apex chamber of this state, because we have every taluka we have a members. So all the trade and industrial organizations, they are our member. So nearly 700,000 entrepreneurs, they are connected with us. I think with this platform and this kind of program, definitely the need of ours can be addressed very well. Thank you very much again, AICT, to give an opportunity to Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce to be get connected with you. And I would like to tell you one more thing, is that Chamber has also initiated the process of establishment business incubator for supporting startup ecosystem in the state of Maharashtra. With this, I would like to conclude my few words. Once again, congratulations to all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Santosh sir, on behalf of AICT. Thanks for Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce for collaborating with Scientific Jugaad Funda and providing these internship opportunities. We are happy to say that every taluk there is a member of Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce. I am very sure all the students of Maharashtra will get connected to you and get benefited out of this particular program, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks for your connectivity of 3 years back. You met Chairman, sir. Today, those things are in reality, and it's going to benefit the students' community. Thanks for that, and being the continuous touch. Looking forward to many more collaboration with you for the benefit of students' community, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks for addressing our participants today. So now we have been waiting for a more important occasion of the day. The launch of internship opportunities offered by Scientific Jugaad. So I request all the dignitaries to join for this launch and make sure that this launch is going to benefit to everyone. So it's open for launch. So the minute you go to the website, I mean, we just redirect it. You
will see the opportunity of Industry Connect of Jugaad Fund Innovations. So click on the view details, and it's a see, you can see the fastness. I mean, here I'm sharing my screen and I have some 30 windows open. It loads like this, very fast. So it has all about the program, the packs, who can apply, the terms and conditions, number of openings, all the details, and we have all the details. All student you can see it, just click on apply, they apply there for the opportunity. So as we have said, I will just quickly demonstrate the website for 2 minutes. So this is the beautiful website what we have created. I know it might not look like government website, it's a pure corporate kind of a website and loads very fast. Okay, and you can search for the internship opportunities as an intern, or if you are an organization, you can search for a hiring intern, and you can give your skill set, and you will have all the students who has those skill sets ready. We have all the internship, main internships posted in one place, and as we are, they see, by default, by brain. It's all our internships are like a pani puri. The minute you put it, you will love it, you will enjoy it. So the site is also developed in a very simple, easiest user interface way. And if you come down a bit, you see all government internships like TULIP internship, social justice, school-based internship opportunities, urban water ministry, national highway opportunities. All corporate internship opportunities are here because it's huge numbers. And 1 lakh oil and gas internship opportunities, aerospace internship opportunities, White Hat Junior internship opportunities, internship by Jugaad Fund. So this is where you need to click so that it opens up. And for the Wiley, which we are going to inaugurate in next few minutes. If you go down a bit, you will see all popular cities because we want every student maybe in different places, right? So they can maybe they're from Ahmedabad, so they can simply click on internships in Ahmedabad and they can look into all those opportunities from Ahmedabad. So we listed all the states, in the India, and all the important cities and important locations. So you can click on your favorite location and you can look into all this. And as we already mentioned, it is from the students by the students, because this portal was developed by the students. So because we want to showcase to the entire world, what kind of a capabilities our students has. They are amazing. I mean, trust me, it loads like magic, in a super fast way. And see the color combination, very smooth, very fast. I mean, this is kind of applications. This is the capability of our students. What they can do. They can create wonders if you give an opportunity. Few minutes back, I received one call saying that someone from Andhra, there's a polytechnic student. He invented a method where he is producing oxygen out of water. So I'm going to speak with him because we have so many amazing brains, in India. The only thing we need to give a direction. I think this website basically connects the students with industries to gain a real-time opportunities. Maybe once we finish Wiley, we'll come back and
Thank you, Buddha sir, for demonstrating about the internship portal, about our scientific Jugaad Fund. Now I request Mr. Vikas Gupta, Managing Director, Wiley India and M3 India, to address our participants about the internship opportunities in the circuit branch engineering students and MCA students who are going to graduate now. So the platform is open to you also. Professor, I request you to address our participants.
Thank you, sir. Really Honorable Professor Anil Saatrugde, Honorable Professor Dr. Punia, Professor Rajiv Kumar, Dr. Buddha, and Dr. Arun Raman. I'm really proud to be here, really honored to be here, and humbled to be here for such an amazing launch which you guys are doing today. We in Wiley work in a slightly different way. We want to bring democratization in the process of hiring for jobs. If you don't get into IIT, that doesn't mean you cannot get a dream job in a top global corporation. And that was the mission and vision of Wiley. That if you talk about global top banks and top companies, they never go beyond IITs to some extent, NITs and some of the private colleges. But we had thought there is talent available, as honorable panelists were saying, available around the country in small towns, small cities, in tier 3, tier 2 towns. So we created this model specifically for India, and we went to the top global banks. We work with about 40 top global banks in about 18 countries. And we said for India, let's build a model where we do an internship model, which we don't do anywhere in the world. But we work with them in semester 8, and then they go through that 6 months training with us. Few months will be part-time, few months will be full-time, and then the students who get out of the program and score get jobs ranging from 5 to 11 lakhs in top banks. Generally, the range is from 7 to 11, but in few job roles it is 5 to 7, but the average is about 7 to 8 lakhs. And the idea of a tier 2 or tier 3 student getting into those big banks like Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, Bank of America, we are talking about HSBC. So there is a range of banks which we work with, and we have put, that's something we are starting now in collaboration with AICTE. We have multiple hundred, more than 500 jobs already approved by these, and once this first set goes for this year, we will have many more. So the idea for this is that we are trying that the democracy of that if you failed once because of whatever reason, you have a chance again to get similar jobs as your friends and peers are getting who went to maybe a tier 1 institution. So with that in mind, I will just show what we do, how we do this. So next slide, and I'll show a video first, and then maybe a minute or two on the slide. Arjun, could you play the video? Thank you. Can't hear the audio, I think.
I think because when you use Macintosh, right? I think it won't pick your audio driver.
No, we don't use Macintosh. We are using Windows only.
Oh, I see. But I see a QuickTime player there. I think it's a Macintosh, I think.
No, I don't think so. But okay, let's see. No problem. Let's turn on the slides, Arjun. It's okay. Sometimes it happens in technology.
Yeah, it's fine. I mean, seeing visualization, we already saw it.
It's okay, no problem, sir. So from our side, I think Wiley is there for the last 214 years. We are known for our publishing. More than nearly 500 Nobel Prize winners are Wiley authors. Every year we train 12 million students and professionals in some level of education globally. We work with more than 70 plus global universities now, and we run about 800 programs with them around the world, even including India. So we also do program development with them. We develop these programs, we work with them, and we launch. We are also working against the same democratization of education, working with a few IITs and IIMs in India also now. And the model of skilling people for jobs is one of the newest initiatives of Wiley, where we train them, but when we place them in global corporations. We have placed and trained about 7,000 people in APAC alone in the last 2 years, 3,000 plus of them. And the Wiley Next product solution, which we created out of India for the world, won the 2020 in US, the fast changing award from Fast Company, World Changing Ideas in Education. We are certified by Honorable Sir in AICTE as a partner, but we are also certified by the government of Singapore. All Wiley Next certification in Singapore, if you do, the government subsidizes and pays your fees back if you pass the certification in the first go with 70% exam. This is a part of their future skills. So their future skills is dependent on you pass the certification, you give your money back, so they are serious about. So that way we have trained multiple thousand students in the last 12 months in Singapore alone. So here are the big banks I talked about, the companies we work with. Next slide. So M3 is a part of Wiley, which really focuses on the internships and the jobs in global corporations. We acquired this company last year, which has been in existence from nearly 10 years. We work in about 7 countries in 4 continents, and we work with the top 20 global banks in about 18 of their locations, and we place people from one country to another within one country. So it's a very different model. Bringing it to India for the first time is some no other company has done. Next slide. So these are the banks I talked in detail. So you can see these are the top banks of the world. So these are the banks the students will be placed in. First 2 to 3 years they work in India, and then they are placed in global roles in the banks in multiple other countries where the bank offices are, depending on how they perform inside the bank. Next slide. So how it works is you register for the program. You have a 3-stage process of aptitude and coding assessment. Then you clear a technical round, then a video round. Then you join the internship, which is between 8 to 12 weeks, which is 6 to 8 hours a day. You clear the training assessment, and you get a job. These are the potential job roles if you see on the right: software developer, full stack, cloud, ETL, site reliability engineers, production support analyst, database engineers, automation engineers, so all kind of mainframe developers, so all kind of job roles you find in banks globally. We have a mandate from these banks. So these banks do not work when it comes to colleges like this, only with us in these countries, and it works for them because being Wiley, we are able to access colleges, we have relationships, we know how to teach, we understand how students need to be brought to the level, and that combining with our expertise of giving them skills, because this curriculum has been designed with 70 industries coming together globally, with the Innovation Council, where all the case studies and use cases have come from these banks. So you learn actual use cases, so you are productive day one after the program. Next slide. So I think it is more of teaching, coaching, mentorship, and importantly, in 2 years, these people are still trained by us. So you are working, you get trained, you get placed, but still, for the first 2 years of the program, you are still trained every weekend and at least 1 hour in the evening by us. And when you are 9th month of the program, we also give you an access to an IMM program, where it is a 1-year program which gives you an alumni status of the IIM. So it's a management program in a new and emerging technology like AI from a top IIM, and that IIM program also becomes a part, and you become alumni of that. So again, one is sourcing them, training them, upskilling them, so that post 2 years, they go to much bigger jobs. So they don't have to spend money in doing an IIM program, spend lakhs on it. That's a part of the package. All of this is paid by Wiley. Student does not pay a penny, on the contrary, they get a stipend. So you can understand how it works. And after 60 days of training, you get full-fledged payment and salary, and this is over and above all of that. Next. So this is I just told about the whole model. You start from 7 lakhs, you go up to 11 lakhs, you do the IIM course, you do the complete course, and then you get converted and you become the full-time employee of the bank. It's an amazing program we are doing in multiple countries, really amazing results. Next. I think this is something we'll post, the eligibility criteria, and it is something, just 60% marks in your university. We don't judge from where you come, we don't judge from which college you come from. It is just democracy at its best. If you miss the first time, this is the time for you to do work on. If you are smart, you will do this. Rest we will help you, definitely we are there. Next slide. And definitely, you get a 20,000 rupee internship, the virtual mode, and a 30,000 rupee as a fee for your internship when you complete the program. Even if you don't, you say, I don't want to work with you guys, okay, still you will get your internship money. That's not a problem. You have to complete the program. These are the success stories, hundreds of success stories in India, which we are now taking in a much bigger scale. This was a test, a pilot case we did. But now it will be huge and big, and that is where we came to AICT and Honorable Sir, that we want to do with you in collaboration with you, because we have done the test cases. Banks are so happy that we did with 5 or 10 people. So really thank you for your time today. Next slide. So I'll stop now and I'll just show the website how it looks like for people to come and show from where to come from. So if you can just please show Arjun.
Because just I have one query in between.
Sure, sir.
The website. So what is the bandwidth of the number of internships you have?
So sir, at this moment we have 500. But the discussions with banks is, see, we did a very small pilot of 10 students with multiple banks.
Yeah.
All of them got selected. So now they say it could be 2,000 this year or next year. So it is going to grow because this is democratization, and I'm not going to say in a public forum, but they say these students are better, they are more motivated, they want to stick around longer, and they want to prove to themselves and to their families that the dream job is there.
Wonderful. It's a very good initiative. Very good initiative.
Thank you, sir.
I would like to thank Arjun ji because I made him come to my office I think 20 times. With so much of patience, he was coming back. Then I understood because I want to make sure there's nothing wrong in this entire process. I asked him so many hundreds of questions. I think I literally squeezed him. Thank Arjun ji in this process because he really helped everyone. Because sometimes magic happens, but we need to believe it, right? So this is kind of a magic.
It is not easy to believe, sir. It is not. But we have now placed about multiple thousands of people in about 19 countries. We brought this to India. It was difficult for people to accept this is even possible because they never go below IIT. That's the problem. And we need to bring it. And I can tell you one success story of a girl who started last week, sir. The girl name is Sneha. She wrote, my father sold a small land of, they had a small piece of land in a small town, and they sold that piece of land for the education of the brother and sister. She did that, going 25-30 kilometers a day, did her engineering, got into her program, passed the exam. She used the internet of the village school because the home did not have any to get through our training. And yesterday, last week, she got into Morgan Stanley. She's starting her job, and the global head of diversity and inclusion wrote to me, "This is heartwarming. This is what we want to achieve."
Good, very good. So maybe before, if June is facing some problem, maybe we will do the launch.
Yes, please. We can launch it, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'll just quickly share this. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir. It's loading, sir. It's loading now. Yeah, we are able to see it. Now I request all the dignitaries to join for this launch of Wiley internship program for the circuit branch students across the country.
So as I already mentioned for the other opportunities, this is also very similar. When you go to home page, you will see this Wiley internship opportunities. But when you click on it, you come to this page where they have opportunities for software developer requirements, site reliability engineers, service desk analysts, mainframe developers. So I'm just clicking on software developer. When you click, you will have all the details mentioned here about the program. And about one-time stipend of 20,000 rupees, and if you are physically you are going there, then 30,000. It's a 8-week program, and they have all the structure with your salaries, friend perks, etc. So everything is mentioned here, and you can see the eligibility. Who can apply. So you will have all those details here. In terms of engagement is also there mentioned, and the number of opportunities for each requirement. They have 4. So how you can access it? Very simple. I mean, you need to go back to home page. So once you go back to the home page, you will see icon called Wiley. So you just click on it. So you will see all the opportunities from Wiley. And click on the view details. and look into the opportunity and click on apply button. And if you're already registered, then you can take it forward from there. And if you're not registered, it will basically take you to registration page. So it's not a rocket science. I mean, it's very simple thing which I will just quickly show you. So when you try to log in, it will basically ask you different kind of logins. I will quickly show you the registration process. So you as a student, when you go, it will ask whether your college is ACT affiliated or non-affiliated. And from there, the minute let's say ACT affiliated, you will have all the college names listed in one place. You don't need to type in. And you have all you will fill in the student ID, your first name, last name, city, contact number, etc. And once you fill this in, then you will get a beautiful form, simple form with 4 tabs to create your profile. So that's where we are creating a timeline. And it will ask you for 5 preferred locations. For the coming back to YA, yes, it's a virtual opportunity, so you can work from anywhere in India, and you don't need to leave your home as now is the COVID pandemic. So you just be safe and work from home. All these are online-based internship opportunities as of now. I mean, maybe after COVID they may change their policy, but as of now it's a purely virtual-based opportunity.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Vidya sir, for showing how to register on the NEET portal. Special thanks to
the internship portal.
the internship portal.
Basically, what we do is, today nowadays we are receiving few emails saying that, Buddhaji, can you please stop before the time ends, because we are receiving lakhs of applications. So what I request every student is, if you strongly feel that opportunities for you are eligible and you are right fit, then you apply. Because else what happens is you are consuming the employer time, and the employer won't get the right student, right intern. So that's what happening nowadays. So I request, even though you see 520,000 opportunities at Jugaad Funda, if you strongly feel you are a best fit, you apply, because the site has a limitation. If you apply for more than 7 opportunities, it won't allow you to apply for 15 days. So you please keep that in mind and use it in a very like a gold, so that you be careful, and while applying, you really see if you are a best fit. So that's where you can take things forward. And sometimes what happens, it says the location is not preferred location because you're not given you gave 5 preferred locations, right? Maybe the location of that opportunity may not match. So you still don't worry, you apply for it. Basically, we have 2 different buckets. One is the preferred location bucket, the second one is the non-preferred location bucket. So every applied student will get into either of one bucket. So there is no difference on the selection process per se. For every virtual opportunities, now we have made it like, they will look into all the profiles, and they have a flexibility of artificial intelligence. As I already mentioned, they can do a dice and slice from there, and they will call you for an interview process, and they will select you for either they will select you or they don't select you. So this is a very simple, nothing rocket science in this. And I wish best of luck for all the students. And Ellen, you can please.
Yes. Thank you, Buddha sir. Thanks for showing how to register on the internship portal. Special thanks to Vikash Gupta ji for providing 500 internship opportunities for the circuit branch students during this pandemic time. It's really would be useful to our students. Many Snegas of our country are watching this program. I'm very sure it will all benefit to everyone who are watching this program. It's always a nightmare saying that there is no job opportunities for the students. I'm very sure that the students who have a real skill set, what the industry is being needed, and if they are lagging with the skill set, if they enhance their skill set, sure they will get a job. For a case study, if you are a student who have been passed out in 2019, have not got a job, and the students who are passed out in 2020 getting a job, is only because of the skill set and knowledge he enhanced during the course of time. So I will request all the students who have been part of this particular program, just you enhance the skill what is required by the industry. Very sure you will also get a job opportunity. I thank on behalf of AICT and NEET for all the experts who have been joined, or the chairman sir, vice chairman sir, member secretary sir, Buddha sir, Manish Patil ji from director from Scientific Jugaad Funda, Mr. Ashish ji, Santosh ji, Mr. Vikash, and Mr. Baljit Singh who is coordinating in the back end and supporting for all these initiatives. And I thank all the students and faculty members who have been participated for this program across the country. Yes, sir, Buddha sir.
Yeah, I just want to add one thing because I'm just going through the questions. See, it's absolutely free. You don't need to pay anything to the company while applying for internship opportunities. And when they are giving you a job opportunity, if you are performing well, you don't need to pay. It's a completely free service, for companies as well as for students. So there is no payment fee attached with this government internship portal.
Yes. Thank you once again. Thank you, Buddha sir, and thank you everyone for being part of this program. So looking forward all the participants to meet next time. Thank you all, sir. Thank you, sir.